build this nice little project, and it's out of fence boards. So let's get cutting. Alright, so I've already measured them all out. So they're 11.5 wide. You're going to need 2. And you're going to do 24. And you're going to need 2. So you can use this out of old deck boards or buy one 16-footer from Home Depot, Rona, and it will make 2. So we've already did this one that I've shown you, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's get cutting. So we're going to line them up. I've already pre-measured everything. So because we have a bit of burrs, I'm just going to use a little bit of sandpaper, and then we'll start to assemble them. Okay, so now I got the boards laying down. We're going to use little spacer blocks. You can do whatever size you like. Put them in between, get the square, make sure everything is squared up before you screw everything together. And then we're going to get our screws. And you're going to do them on a diagonal. I know I should be pushing it further and harder, but I don't like the wood to split. Like this one was just about to do. See, and I don't even need a work table. I'll just use the back of the truck. Two more. Don't want to go in the knot because it will split. It's awfully squeaky wood. Okay, now that is done. We're gonna take it over and burn the wood instead of staining it. So you can use stain, but I'm preferring to use my torch. Once again, I bought this at Princess Auto, and it works really fast. You can do a heavy burn or a light burn. This one over here is done in a heavy burn. I tend to like the heavier burns. Get the ends of the wood, because burning this is sealing the wood. You don't have to use stain because the wood is being preserved by the fire. Get it all. You always have a hose close by, just for safety reasons. Why you need water close by. Okay, we'll let that cool and then we'll do the back and finish the project up. Okay, so now we're going to put our hanger on. The board is cooled down. So this is just one that I had hanging out in the garden. So you just make sure it's in the middle.
Down for
You want it as far down as possible. There we go. Make sure it's straight. And then I'll straighten it up. Still a little bit. There we go. go. So, I'm going to just set it up this way. I'm just going to put some decals on there. A little hot glue goes a long way. A couple just pieces of hot glue. Put it on. And I have a couple of these little owls. Got them from the dollar store. Just to cover up the screw marks, if you wish. You don't have to put decals on, I just think it looks kind of cute. Hold it there for a few seconds. And then we can hang our lantern. And there we go. So you can hang these up in the house. You can put a completely different lantern with little fairy lights in it and a mason jar. I'm going to use these outside. They're great for gifts. So tell me what you think of my project this week, and leave a like, a share, and a comment, and please subscribe. Much appreciated. See you next time. Bye now.